Welcome back. So, hope you all are fine. Today we are going to do the question answers of lesson 1 as well as the objectives that we have done in the last lecture that we are going to revise it. Two lessons. First lesson, that is types of plants, and second is animals that help us. So, as we are the we are doing the writing portion right now, we are going to write the things. So everybody is requested to sit with a fair book and a pencil. So go and bring your fair book and a pencil. As I say every day, we have to write in the fair book. We have to write in the fair book. So how does that becomes possible that we have to write? Do you know that? Okay. How will we do that? I will dictate and you will write. Okay, so let's start. First we are going to do the revision that we have done yesterday, and then we are going to write the question answers of lesson number 1 that are going to be asked in your exams. So just check in your fair book and we will do a revision. Okay, first is hard words. domestic, domestic. domestic, domestic. chickens, chickens. eggs. silk, silk. worm, silkworm. silk, worm, silkworm. tame, pets, pets. pets, pets. homes, homes. another, another. homes, another. We are going to revise it from first now. Come on, read aloud with me, okay? domestic, domestic. domestic, domestic. chickens. eggs. silkworm, silkworm. tame. pets. homes. another. Okay, so now next, a dash is a domestic animal. Filling the blanks. cow, cow. Is a domestic. animal. A cow is a domestic animal. We need milk to things such as cheese and curd. WEVNEED, need. MILK, milk. TO2, MAKE, make. THINGS, things. SUCH, such. AS, CHEESC, cheese. AND, and CURD, curd. Third, WEVGET, get. HONEY, honey. ANN, WAX, wax. FROM, from. BEEHIVES, beehives. We get honey and wax from beehives. Where do we get honey and wax from? Beehives. Fourth one, WEVGET, get. WOOL, wool. FROM, from. SHEEP, sheep. We get wool from sheep. The woolen clothes that we wear, where do we get that wool from? Sheep. Now fifth one, LEATHER, leather. IS, USED, used. TO2, MAKE, make. SHOES, shoes. AND, and BELTS, belts. Leather is used to make shoes and belts. LEATHER, leather. IS, USED, use. TO2, MAKE, make. SHOES, shoes. ANN, BELTS, leather is used to make shoes and belts. Now match the following. As I have told earlier also, and I am telling you right now also, that these are the direct answers. This order might not be given in the exams. You might have to find the answers and write them. Milk, goat. Milk, goat. Milk, goat. Milk, goat. Milk, goat. If you have not written, write with me. MILK, milk. GOAT, goat. Milk, goat. EGGS, eggs. HENS, hands. WAX, wax. BEEHIVES, beehives. Milk, goat, eggs, hands, wax, beehives. WOOL, wool. SHEEP, sheep. WOOL, wool. SHEEP, sheep. CAMEL, camel. LEATHER, leather. Camel, leather. Wool, sheep. Wax, beehives. Eggs, hens. Milk, goat. Milk, goat. Eggs, hens. Wax, beehives. Wool, sheep. Camel, leather. Okay? Now next. DOMESTIC, domestic, animals, domestic animals. What are the examples of domestic animals? Cow and buffalo. What are that? Cow and buffalo. COW, cow. BUFFALO, cow. Buffalo, cow. Buffalo. Now next, animals that give us milk. Which animals give us milk? COW, cow. GOAT, goat. COW, cow. GOAT, goat. Cow, goat. Which are the milk products? Cheese, curd. Cheese, curd, butter, buttermilk. These all are milk products. Clothes made from silk. Which are the clothes made from silk? Sari and scarf. But where is silk made from? Silkworm. Where do we get silk from? Silkworm. Silkworm is an insect which gives us silk. Animals that carry heavy loads for us. Which are the animals that carry heavy loads for us? Camel and horse. CAMEL, camel. HORSE, horse. See, these are the answers which I am highlighting. Domestic animal, cow, buffalo. Animals that give us milk, cow, goat. Milk products, cheese, curd. Animals that carry heavy loads for us, camel, horse. Camel, horse. Now give one word. Animals that can be kept at farms or homes are called domestic animals. Which are that animals that can be kept at farms or homes? Domestic animals. All things made from milk. The things which are made from milk are called milk products. A thing that is used to make candles. Which is used to make candles? Beeswax. This we have also done in the FP. The FP's answer is given here also. A material made from the skin of dead animals which is used to make shoes and belts. Leather. LETHER, leather. Animals that we keep in our homes. The animals that we keep in our homes are pet animals. Which are that? Which are that animals? Cat, dog. These are pet animals. Okay. Now we are going to write lesson 1's question answer. Lesson 1 was types of plants. We are going to write the question answers of lesson number 1, that is types of plants. So give a heading question answer. Give a heading question answer. Question, question. ANSWER, question answer. You can also write QANS. You can also write this. Okay, so now we are going to start with the question answers. These are the very important question answers that you have to learn. There are only 5 question answers related to lesson number 1 that you have to write in the fair book and you have to learn. Name the types of plants. There are 5 types of plants that we have learned. Do you remember any of them? There are 5 types of plants. Which are there? Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. Now I am going to say with the spelling. First write question number 1. N-A-M-E, name. N-A-M-E, name. T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. T-Y-P-E-S, types. O-F, of. T-Y-P-E-S, types. O-F, of. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. Name the types of plants. There are 5 types of plants. Which are they? The first one. Write the same way I have written. You have to write same way as I have written. First answer is T-R-E-E-S, trees. First is T-R-E-E-S, trees. Second one is S-H-R-U-B-S, shrubs. S-H-R-U-B-S, shrubs. H-E-R-B-S, herbs. C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S, climbers. C-R-R-E-P-R-S, creepers. Trees. T-R-E-E-S, trees. S-H-R-U-B-S, shrubs. H-E-R-B-S, herbs. C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S, climbers. C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S, creepers. Okay, now the second question answer. N-A-M-E, name. N-A-M-E, name. T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. P-A-R-T-S, parts. O-F, of. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. Name the parts of the plants. Name the parts of plants. Now, first one, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Second one, L-E-A-F, leaf. Third one, S-T-A-E-M, stem. double O T, root. F O R U T, fruit. S double E D, seed. Question number 3. How do green plants make their food? Do green plants food is given by their mothers or anyone? The same way we are given? No. Green plants make their own food. How do green plants make their food? Green plants make their own food. Green plants make their own food. H-O-R, how D-O, do G-R-E-E and green, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants, M-A-K-E, make, T-H-E-I-R, there, F-O-O-D, food. How do green plants make their food? Green plants make their own food. Green plants make their own food. G-R-E-E-N, green, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants, M-A-K-E, make, T-H-E-I-R, there, O-W-N, own, F-O-O-D, food. W-H-A-T, what? What is the question number 4? W-H-A-T, what? G-R-E-E-N, green, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. What do green plants need to make their food? N-E-E-D, need, T-O-2-M-A-K-E, make, F-O-O-D, food. What green plants need to make food? G-R-E-E-N, green, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants, N-E-E-D, need, S-U-N-L-I-G-H-T, sunlight, A-I-R-A-N-D-N, W-A-T-E-R, water. What green plants need to make food? Green plants need sunlight, air and water. What green plants need to make food? Green plants need sunlight, air and water. Green plants need sunlight, air and water. What are big and tall plants called? What are big and tall plants called? Big and tall plants are called trees. B-I-G, big, A-N-D and T-A-L-L, tall, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants, A-R-E-R, C-A-L-L-E-D, called. Big and tall plants are called trees. Big and tall plants are called trees. What are big and tall plants called? Trees. Okay. So this were the third lesson's objectives and first lesson's question answers. I am repeating the first lesson's question answers once again. Just check if you have any mistake, just correct it. Name the types of plants. N-A-M-E, name T-H-E, third T-Y-P-E-S, types O-F, of P-L-A-N-T-S. Name the types of plants. T-R-E-E-S, trees. S-H-R-U-B-S, shrubs. HERBS, herbs. CLIMBERS, climbers. CREEPERS, clippers. Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, trippers. Name the types of plants. Tree, shrub, herbs, climber, creeper. Tree, shrub, herbs, climber, creeper. Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. Name the types of plants. Trees, shrub, herbs, climbers, creepers. Second one. Name the parts of plant. NAME, name. THE, PARTS, parts. OFO, PLANTS, plants. What is the answer? First, FLOWER, flower. LEAF, leaf. STEM, stem. ROOT, root. FRUIT, fruit. SEED, seed. Flower, leaf, stem, root, fruit, seed. FLOWER, flower. LEAF, leaf. STEM, stem. ROOT, root. FRUIT, fruit. SEED, seed. Flower, leaf, stem, root, fruit, seed. Flower, leaf, stem, fruit, root, seed. FLOWER, flower. LEAF, leaf. STEM, stem. ROOT, root. FRUIT, fruit. SEED, seed. How do green plants make their food? HO, how. DO, do. GREEN, green. PLANTS, plants. MAKE, make. THEIR, their. FOOD, food. What is the answer for that? GREEN, green. PLANTS, plants. THEIR, their. FOOD, food. Green plants make their own food. GREEN, green. PLANTS, plants make their own food. MAKE, make. THEIR, their. OWN, own. FOOD, food. Question number 4. WHAT, what? GREEN, green. PLANTS, plants. NEED, need. TO2, MAKE, make. FOOD, food. What green plants need to make food? Green plants need sunlight, air and water. WHAT, what? GREEN, green. PLANTS, plants. NEED, need. TO2, MAKE, make. FOOD, food. What is the answer? GREEN, green. PLANTS, plants. NEED, need. SUNGLIGHT, sunlight. AIR, air and AND WATER, water. Green plants need sunlight, air and water. What are big and tall plants called? WHAT, what? ARERBIG, big. ANNTALL, tall. PLANTS, plants. CALLED, called. BIG, big. ANDNTALL, tall. PLANTS, plants. ARERCALLED, called. TREES, trees. What are big and tall plants called? Big and tall plants are called trees. Big and tall plants are called trees. What are big and tall plants called? Big and tall plants are called trees. Big, big A-N-D, and T-A-L-L, tall P-L-A-N-T-S, plants A-R-E-R-C-A-L-L-E-D, called T-R-E-E-S, trees. Okay, students. So, we have written lesson number 1, 2 and 3's objectives and lesson number 1's question answers. So, till here everybody should complete their fair book, and if possible you have to send me the completed fair book's photo. Okay? So, thank you for listening to me. Have a good day and we will meet again tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.